Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this tutorial I will show you how to read data from a table on MySQL. Are you ready? So let's get started. In the previous video we learned how to create database, how to create tables, and how to insert data into tables. SQL workbench, okay. It's opening. Let's connect to MySQL server. Okay, type your password. I connected to the server. In the previous video we created this database bank, and we created tables. We insert data into tables. In this video I will show you how to read the data from the table. Okay, so first we should select the database. Use bank. With this command you select the database. As you can see, it's getting bold. It means you have selected this database, and now I will show you how to read the data from a table. Okay, by using select, okay, and then this side, and store from. Store means everything. Select everything from the name of the table. What is the name of the table? Customers. Okay, and now let's run the command. Select everything from not customers, customer. Okay, without s. As you can see, we have read the data from a table. So sometimes you don't want all the columns, so you can select, for example, first name and then comma, then last name. Okay, select first name and last name from which table? From customer, and semicolon. Run this command. As you can see, I read just first name and last name. That's how you can read the data from the table in MySQL. Yeah, guys, that's it. I hope you will like the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. See you in the next video.